Hello everybody, this is the Broccoli Hater, and I'm doing a tutorial on how to make a duct tape phone case, specifically for Droids. This is a Droid 2, or iPhones. They're about similar size, so I'm going to make one for either of the heights. So I started a video, and I didn't have the memory chip in, and I didn't realize it. So I already got to the point where you make a sheet. It's 4x6, 4 up, and then across 6 inches. So what I did is I placed duct tape here, or I made a sheet of duct tape, or 2 duct tape, 4 strips laid across each other, kind of like you're starting a wallet, and then I folded it over so it was about 4 inches. It's a little more, but that's okay, because the Droid's a little bit bigger than the iPhone. So then you're going to lay it across, and as you can see, it should be almost perfect. So all I need is a little piece of duct tape. This is just kind of going to be a holder for the inside. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it down like that. You can kind of see. And you can see that the Droid is laying across it, and I have a sticky piece of duct tape right here on the edge of my 4x6 strip it around the 4. So then I'm going to take the X-Acto knife and cut it so it is exactly 4 inches. You don't need to use the measurement, you can just cut it even. So now I have this. I'm going to lay so the sticky part is down. I'm going to place the Droid roughly in the middle of the part that isn't have sticky stuff. And I'm going to fold the sticky part over first, and then fold the rest over. So it's like that. And you might want to try once or twice before you get it, because it's not that easy. Unless you make it a little smaller, which I will. So, there. Sticky side face down, a little bit shorter this time. And I'm going to fold it over and try to line it up as best as possible with the other half. So once you have that done, there should be a little bit of sticky showing, but that's okay, because you're going to leave your phone or whatever in there, and you're going to take one more strip of duct tape, doesn't matter how long, and put it over the top of that. So now it should look like that. Then you're going to slide the Droid out, or whatever phone you have, and you can either fold it in or cut it off. Folding it in would probably make it look nicer on the outside, but that's what I'm going to do. So it should be roughly the shape that you want. Now you're going to take a piece about 2 inches long or more, and you're going to take another piece shorter than that, and you're going to want to find out how thick this part is, and for me it is about 3/4 of an inch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut my tape so it is 3/4 of an inch high. Then I'm going to get rid of the piece that isn't 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to place this over my tape. I'm going to slice away the edges so it's not sticky past 3/4 of an inch like that. So I'm going to do that on both sides. I'm trying to make it as neat as possible. And once you're done with that, you want to lay this out flat. Probably stick the droid back in, or I'll take the case off. There's only half of the case on it. And you're going to slide it in, just about like that. And yes, that was a text message. I made it too small, so I'm just going to... Maybe you want to make it a little bit bigger than 3/4 an inch. I think I said when I didn't have it, the memory chip in, that this is my first time making it. I just learned how. So I'm going to put Velcro over the top so it closes and isn't sliding out. So I'm just going to place this over so it's a bit bigger, and cut away the edge that is sticking out. Now I'm going to place it over the butt of the phone, and the bottom of your case should be finished. It should look like that. So that is how you do the case part. The Velcro part is I'm going to stick the droid back in, and I'm going to keep it in for a little bit. And you can see like that, it's in the case. And I'm going to take a strip of duct tape, and I'm going to place it under the phone like that. And I'm cut it around the side like this of the phone so that it's around the case. And peel away that, get rid of it. And now I'm going to add on to that like one strip above it, cut away the extra on the edges, and you're going to stick it, you're going to tape that end, this skinnier part, to the back of the case. So you're going to put a piece of tape, and you're going to get rid of the extra stuff to make it look nicer. And get rid of that. You're going to tape it on as best as you can so that it isn't sticking to the phone. And you're going to fold it over as like that. You can see right here. So after that, you're going to get your piece of Velcro. If you have sticky-sided Velcro, good for you. I don't. I'm going to have to tape it on. So this is good if you have a phone and you're constantly dropping it, or it's constantly falling out of your pocket and getting scratched up. As you can see, my phone has a ton of scratches on the screen. I don't know, there might be too much of a glare. You probably can't see that. But so you have your little piece of duct tape. If you have the sticky, go ahead, stick it on and line it up. I don't, as I said. And so you're going to take a strip longer than the top of your case, the part that's folding over, about that long, and you're going to put it down with your X-Acto knife as centered as you can. You're going to cut a little square smaller than your piece of Velcro. This also works if you're making coin pockets on your wallets, like I do in some of mine. I don't always make the ID4 bifolds. And you're going to take the part that's rough and not fuzzy, and you're going to put it on behind it, so it's sticking through like that. You can see that white stuff's the Velcro. You're going to place it as best as you can so the top of the duct tape lines up with the top of the folding over part, like that. You can see there. And you're going to not fold over the extra, but you're going to slice it away. So that is how you put the first part of Velcro on. You'll probably get how to do the second part. It's pretty much the same, only you have to line it up with the top part of the Velcro because it doesn't just magically fit. So you fold it over, you have it here and you see the Velcro, and you line this up with it and put it on. And you're probably going to get about the rough placement of it right there. You're going to leave it there. You're going to take another strip longer than the first one that held it down, and you're going to cut another little square about the same size as you did before with your X-Acto knife into the duct tape as centered as you can. Once you've done that, you peel away the square, get rid of it, and put this on here. You put it on top of there. You don't stick it down immediately. You have to make sure it lines up again. So I have it like this. You see there, I'm going to place it over this. I'm probably going to slice away more of this so it lines up better. And you will then line it up with the Velcro and fold it over so it sticks. After that, you lay it down on its back so the flap is like that, and you slice away what's hanging over the edges to make it look nicer. You then flip it back up, fold it, and there you have your duct tape phone case with Velcro. This is the broccoli hater.